In the ever-evolving world of technology, even our lawns are getting a high-tech makeover. Gone are the days of laboriously pushing a heavy lawnmower under the scorching sun. Let's enter the era of robotic lawnmowers, where cutting-edge technology meets the age-old chore of lawn maintenance. In this video, we'll explore the best robotic lawnmowers of 2024, showcasing how these autonomous machines are revolutionizing the way we care for our outdoor spaces. Husqvarna Automower 430XH is a prime example of cutting-edge technology integrated into modern robotic lawnmowers. This is designed for medium-sized lawns up to 0.8 acres. It features a number of advanced features. It is equipped with GPS theft tracking, an alarm, and a PIN code lock, allowing you to track its location at all times through the Automower Connect app. It has sensors that detect obstacles and stop the mower before it collides, and a weather sensor that adjusts its mowing pattern depending on the weather conditions. It has a long battery life of up to 70 minutes. You can cut your lawn beautifully at the touch of a button any time of the day or night with the Husqvarna Automower 430XH robotic lawnmower. You can view the mowing status of the lawnmower, adjust settings, track location, and adjust schedules from your smartphone, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home. The Husqvarna Automower 430XH is a great choice for homeowners with medium-sized lawns who are looking for a convenient and easy way to keep their lawn looking its best. It is a reliable and well-made mower that is packed with a number of features. The second option we have, the GARDENA 15 SILENO Life Robotic Lawnmower. This lawnmower is designed for small to medium-sized lawns up to 16,200 square feet. It is a quiet and efficient mower that can be programmed to mow your lawn on a schedule, even when you're not home. It runs at a noise level of only 56 decibels, making it one of the quietest robotic lawnmowers on the market. It can mow in wet or dry conditions, and it can even handle slopes up to 35%. The mower uses intelligent navigation to find its way around your lawn, even in complex areas. In addition, boundary wires ensure that the robotic lawnmower mows only the area specified, and collision sensors ensure that the mower operates safely and without causing any accidents. It features a rain sensor that will automatically stop it from mowing if it starts to rain. It can be controlled using the GARDENA Bluetooth app, which allows you to set mowing schedules, view mowing status, and more. The GARDENA SILENO Life Lawnmower is a great choice for homeowners who are looking for a quiet, efficient, and easy-to-use robotic lawnmower for small to medium-sized lawns. If you have a larger lawn, you may want to consider a different model. Next up we have Husqvarna Automower 415X. This is a premium robotic lawnmower designed for small to medium-sized lawns up to 0.4 acres. It features GPS-assisted navigation, obstacle avoidance, and weather sensor technology. It uses GPS to map your lawn and create a mowing plan. This ensures that the mower covers your entire lawn evenly and efficiently. It has sensors that detect obstacles and avoid them. This means that you don't have to worry about the mower getting stuck under furniture or running over your pets. It features a weather sensor that detects rain. If it starts to rain, the mower will automatically return to its charging station. With Automower Zone Control, you can schedule mowing, adjust settings, track location, and check the mower's status all from your smartphone. Featuring a cutting width of 8.7 inches and a cutting area capacity of 680 square feet per hour, this compact automatic mower is weatherproof and can work in narrow passages, around objects, and on slopes of up to 40 degrees. It has a mowing time of between 75 and 90 minutes. This is quiet and emission-free, so you can use it without disturbing your neighbors or the environment. In addition, it can also be programmed to mow your lawn at night, when it is cooler for the mower and it is easier to get through the grass. It is easy to use, efficient, and reliable. If you are looking for a robotic lawnmower that will save you time and effort, the Automower 415X is a great option. OWLMOW Robot Lawnmower is all about connectivity. You can set different schedules and cutting modes and monitor the mowing progress in real time with the OWLMOW app. In order to increase efficiency, it can automatically divide multiple working areas into smaller sections. It is able to recognize and navigate narrow channels between different yards, and the dual-channel S1 and S2 allow it to work together without interfering with each other. With its unique base station and robot dual GPS positioning system, you can map your lawn and get precise positioning. With the help of the boundary wires, the robot mower will always remain within the designated lawn area. You can directly use it if you have already installed boundary wires from other brands. It features off-road rescue programs and high-torque motors that allow the robot to handle a variety of complex lawn environments with ease. With its IPX5 rating and rain sensor, you will be able to maintain and utilize your device more easily. OWLMOW's planned route algorithm significantly improves mowing efficiency over conventional robotic mowers. With its low noise level and high mowing efficiency of up to 1956 square feet per hour, it will not disturb your family or neighbors. If you are looking for a high-end robotic lawnmower that offers a variety of features, the Husqvarna OWLMOW is a good option. Husqvarna Automower 115H comes at number 3 as Best Robotic Lawnmowers for 2024. It is designed for small to medium-sized lawns up to 0.4 acres. It is powered by a rechargeable battery and has a cutting width of 8.6 inches. The mower can be programmed to mow your lawn on a schedule, even when you're not home. It also features a variety of safety features, including a collision sensor and a tilt sensor. It operates at a noise level of only 58 decibels, making it ideal for use in residential areas. It uses a variety of sensors to navigate your lawn, including a collision sensor, a tilt sensor, and a GPS sensor. You can program your lawnmower to mow on a schedule, or you can control it via an app on your phone. In order to reduce the risk of theft, the automatic mower is equipped with an alarm system that will sound if it is lifted and can only be deactivated by your unique PIN code. It is made of high-quality materials and is designed to withstand the elements. It requires a boundary wire to be installed around the perimeter of your lawn. This wire helps the mower to navigate your lawn and prevents it from getting lost. The Husqvarna Automower 115H first generation is a good option for homeowners with small to medium-sized lawns who are looking for a quiet, easy-to-use, and affordable robotic lawn mower. The year 2024 marks a significant milestone in lawn care thanks to the remarkable advancements in robotic technology. These intelligent and efficient machines are transforming the way homeowners approach lawn maintenance. With a focus on precision, environmental consciousness, and user convenience, the best robotic lawn mowers of 2024 are setting a new standard for the future of lawn care. Embracing this technology not only saves time but also contributes to the overall health and beauty of your lawn. Get ready to say goodbye to the traditional push mower and usher in a new era of smart and efficient lawn care.